Welcome back to the shop. This video is going to be a little bit different than my average videos, and it's not going to be a long one. Don't have a whole lot to say on this one, but today at 1:05 p.m. my mom passed away. She was suffering from COPD, and she was in hospice, and she passed away. Out of all my videos, I did have her in one video right here. She is with the Apex Racing head review video. She's waving at the camera right there. Darlene Novakoski is her name, and there I am right there. Well, as you know, nothing in life lasts forever, including our own lives. That also includes mechanical stuff. This is the cylinder for my YZ125. I went to go do a top end on it about 3 weeks ago. Oh, sorry about that. My phone is going crazy. Anyway, because it's only 4:29 right now as I'm making this video. Like I said, she just passed away at 1:05 today, but there's a crack in the exhaust bridge. I don't know if you can see it on camera there. I'm trying to get the light on it real good. My fingernail catches it right there. Can you hear it? There's a crack on the exhaust bridge. I barely noticed that, but I noticed it. First off, I was like, is that really cracked or not? So I took a pair of needle nose and I stuck them right in here, and I wiggled the bridge like this, and as I did that, I could see it shift. Sure enough, those cracked. Luckily, I had a spare used cylinder. I sent it out to Power Seal to get it replated. It took me about 3 weeks and about $300 later, but we have a new cylinder on the bike. So I popped this cylinder on today with the brand new Wise Cove piston. Haven't started it up yet. We're going to do that in a minute. But my mom, she raised my brother here, Gary McPeak. Of course, that was the same day at Croom. He's going to shoot us a bird. As well as my twin brother right here in the same video, and that's Keith Alexander. So she raised us, and we weren't the best kids, as you can imagine. We caused a lot of trouble and stuff like that, but hey, no one's perfect in this world, you know. Guess it's important to note today is June 10th, 2025. But yeah, nothing lasts forever. Our bodies, you know, at some point, you know, from dust we came from dust we shall return. Of course, you know, we store our treasures in heaven where nothing can rob or steal it. And that's our experiences, and that's who we are. That's our personality, and just who we build ourselves up to be. That's where you want to store your treasures. But as far as this physical world, nothing lasts forever. Things break down. You know, we can fix things as best as we can. We can, you know, keep our body healthy as best as we can, but at some point, father time, mother time, whatever you want to call it, you know, it comes for all of us at some point. Same with our dirt bikes here, you know. The cylinder took a crap, got a crack, and put a replated cylinder on it. So I brought this thing back to life. So let's go ahead and fire her up. I put some gas in the tank. It's going to be the first fire up. Before I fire it up, you might ask, well, what are you doing fixing your 125? Your mom just passed away. Well, that's all I know to do. This is the only thing I know to do right now, you know? And so that's it. So let's fire up. I'm first going to fire it up with the door closed here. Let the shop get nice and smoky, then we'll open it up. Did I turn the choke on? Yes, I did. course, you know the routine. We got to run it through a heat cycle. I kind of expected it and was hoping it would kick a little more smoke than that on the first fire up. I really wanted to get the thing nice and smoky before I open the door, before I get carbon monoxide poisoning. But it doesn't seem to be kicking a lot of smoke. Let's see. Getting a little bit smoky in here, I guess. Alright, let me go ahead and open the door. I'll be right back. Yeah, so that's a bummer, man. Life's short, and I still have a lot to digest, I'm quite sure. You know, and I know you guys at home, a lot of you guys have already gone through this as well. Maybe different situations. You lost a father or a son, a daughter, or wife or husband, whatever. And it can be tough sometimes, you know. It's part of life. I know we all go at some point. And here we are today. But while we're here, I would say make the best of it. Every day, wake up, do the best you can. Help people out where you can. Try not to be a dick, you know. Try to have some patience, try to have some understanding, and try to leave the world a better place. That's my suggestion, at least, and that's what I try to do. Okay, one more heat cycle. She'll stay running until I get back to the throttle here. Stay running now. It's such a good, clean running bike. I'm always impressed with how clean this bike runs, even with 24/1 on the mixture. Yes, I'm running 5 ounces of oil per gallon. She still runs so clean and crisp. Well, that's pretty much it. I appreciate you guys coming along this journey with me, all you guys out there. I really appreciate you. Make sure you get out and ride, keep your bike up and running, spend some time in the shop, you know, and get your bike 100%. Go out there, ride, have a good time. Life's short. Get it while you can, but be safe. Don't be an idiot, especially on the track. You know, just keep it on 2 wheels. Ride within your ability so that you can ride again the next time and the next time. And Mom, say hi to Bella when you get out there. Elena, Carl, Ryan. Oh, I got a list. Dave McPeak. I got a huge list, and I'm probably leaving people out. Francis, and the list just goes. George, and I have a huge list. Say hi to everyone up there for me. And yeah, all you guys, have a good evening. It's going to be about probably a week or so before I get another video out, because obviously, you know, I'm going to be pretty busy with funerals because my great aunt Frances also passed away Saturday morning. So it's like, and my mom actually went to visit her like 3 days before that and told her, I'm coming right behind you. And I guess she wasn't kidding. So yeah, well, I'm gonna have 2 funerals to go to, and obviously, you know, I have, you know, it's my mom, so I have to figure out, you know, what we're gonna do. Her little dog Bella, which it seems like my aunt's gonna be taking her. I'm willing to take her too, though, but it seems like my aunt's gonna take her, and we have to figure out what we're gonna do with her car and belongings and all that kind of stuff, you know. So give me about a week or so, and I'll get back to the videos. And sorry I haven't made one in about 2 weeks now, just because, well, you know, I've been taking a lot of trips to the hospital and stuff like that. But I'm going to try my best to get out on Sunday and get a ride in. And I'm not sure which bike I'm going to take out yet. I might take the 125 out. Depends on what track we're going to go to. But be a good outlet. Just get out to the track and do some laps. And, you know, I oftentimes consider the track my church. You know, and when I go to the track, that's like my Sabbath day, my day of rest. You know, it's fellowship, right? And you don't have to go to church to have church, if you know what I mean. And so, you know, that's pretty much it. Obviously, you know, it goes without saying, you know, make sure you spend your time talking to God and getting to know Him, all that good stuff. You know, make sure you know, all that stuff. But catch you next video, guys.